It is an honor for me to welcome you all to this remarkable one-year celebration and gala and event today. We gather not just to celebrate, but to reflect on the importance of preserving our culture and our heritage. These treasures, our artifacts, are the essence of our identity, connecting us to our ancestors and shaping the values we pass on to future generations. Culture and heritage are not static. They are living, breathing aspects of our society, influencing our traditions, our art, our language, and our way of life. Preserving them is essential because they serve as a bridge between the past, the present, and our future. In an ever-changing world where globalization and technology are reshaping how we live, it is easy for unique traditions and histories to just fade away. Yet it is through our culture and our heritage that we maintain a sense of belonging and pride. They remind us of the struggles, triumphs, and shared experiences that define our communities and enrich our human story.